Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu-Alaikum. My name is Ankaiman and I welcome you to Courselia. In this video, we will solve and discuss the General Knowledge Past Paper held in PMS 2016. Let's start with our first question. Acoustics is the science of light, waves, sound or colors. The answer is sound. The art of breeding silkworm and production of silk is called microbiology, sericulture, biochemistry or horticulture. The answer is sericulture. The science of celestial bodies is known as celestial बोलते हैं the bodies which are positioned in sky or those that are related to sky. So the answer is astronomy. Telepathy is communication by sensory perceptions, communication between mind and heart, communication by means other than sensory perceptions, or none of these. The answer is communication by means other than sensory perceptions. Pedagogy is the science of repeated question. The answer is teaching. Study of maps and features of the universe is called metaphysics, cosmography, cosmology, or cartography. The answer is cartography. Scientific study and measurement of behavior is called psychiatry, psychology, physiology, psychoanalysis. The answer is psychology. Etymology refers to the study of insects, words, medicines, reptiles. The answer is words. Pediatrics is relevant to. ये क्वेश्चन हमने बहुत डिटेल में डिस्कस किया था. The answer is children. Shape of Milky Way galaxy is rectangular, spiral, elliptical or circular. The answer is spiral. Coldest planet of the solar system is Neptune. Which of the following planets has the maximum number of satellites? Venus, Saturn, Uranus, Jupiter. ये क्वेश्चन भी हमने बहुत डिटेल में डिस्कस किया था. The answer is Saturn. Which planet takes the longest time to go once around the sun? The answer is Neptune. Its orbital period is of 165 years. The first artificial satellite was launched by. ये क्वेश्चन भी हमने पहले देखा था और डेट के साथ देखा था. The answer is Russia and the date was 4 October 1957. The first Canadian woman in space was Roberta Bonda. The first astronaut to set foot on moon was Neil Armstrong. The theory stating that new matter is always created to fill the space left by the universe. This theory is called Big Bang, steady state, Hubble's theory, black hole. The answer is steady state theory. The velocity of sound in air at sea level is. All the options are incorrect. The correct answer is 340 meters per second. Acceleration caused by gravity is 32 feet per second square. Our rocket needs the speed of dash to escape from Earth's gravity. 22 miles per second, 15 miles per second, 12 miles per second, or 7 miles per second. The answer is 7 miles per second. Sunlight is composed of 7 colors. The rarest gas in air is. वो गैस जो एयर में बहुत कम पाई जाती है या नायाब है. The answer is neon. Minor objects in irregular shapes orbiting the sun are vessel, asteroid, meteors, or comet. The answer is asteroids. The lowest zone of atmosphere, containing about 75% of total mass of atmosphere and 90% of its water vapor, is called troposphere, ionosphere, mesosphere, or stratosphere. The answer is troposphere. The theory about the beginning of universe by a huge explosion is called binary, black hole, Big Bang, or steady state. The answer is Big Bang. Constellation is classification of star satellites, classification of stars, patterns or groups of stars in the sky, patterns or groups of satellites in the sky. The answer is patterns or groups of stars in the sky. Next question is, the sun takes years to travel around the galaxy. How many years? 225 million years. Days and nights are equal throughout the year at North America, South America, Equator, North Pole. The answer is Equator. Celestial body that affects tides of ocean is Sun, Moon, Galaxy, Meteorite. The answer is Moon. Huge cloud of gas and dust in the universe is called constellation, satellite, meteorite, or nebula. The answer is nebula. Outer surface of the sun is called corona. Sun's diameter is 1.4 million kilometer. The largest planet is Jupiter. The continuous movement of continents is called continental shakes, continental drift, continental motion, or continental move. Answer is continental drift. The layer of atmosphere in which we live is called troposphere. Study of fingerprints is called genetics, dactylography, hematology, histology. The answer is dactylography. Which rocks make the Earth's surface or crust? Sedimentary, igneous, metamorphic, all of these. The answer is all of these. Area in a desert where there is sufficient water for the plants is called island, oasis, green desert, or greenland. The answer is oasis. Plate tectonics theory explain the movements of rockets, rivers, oceans, or continents. The answer is continents. Silicon is also called earth maker. Days and nights are equal all the year at New York, Nairobi, Oslo, Brussels. The answer is Nairobi. When magma reaches the surface, it is called lava. Which star is known as constant star? Sirius, Canopus star, North star, or the Sun? The answer is North star. Which area is known as world's earthquake belt? Pacific Ring of Fire, Andes Range, Sharm el-Sheikh, Egypt, Central and Atlantic Ridge. The answer is Pacific Ring of Fire. Let's see the Pacific Ring of Fire. This is the Pacific Ring of Fire. It is a region around much of the rim of Pacific Ocean. Why it is called Ring of Fire? Because here Pacific plate meets many surrounding tectonic plates, and that's why frequently volcanic eruptions and earthquakes occur here. Which of the following is the physics law of moments? The product of clockwise moments is equal to the product of anticlockwise moments. The sum of clockwise moments is equal to the sum of anticlockwise moments. The product of clockwise moments is equal to the value of anticlockwise moments. The sum of clockwise moments equal to the value of anticlockwise moment. The answer is the sum of clockwise moments is equal to the sum of anticlockwise moments. Which chemical element has properties of a metal and non-metal? Metallite. Which tube extends from mouth to anus? Alimentary canal, root canal, basic canal, back canal. Answer is alimentary canal. Where is the bile stored and intermittently released into the small intestine to aid digestion? Intermittently बोलते हैं at irregular intervals. तो उसने पूछा कि बाइल कहाँ स्टोर होता है जहाँ से वो irregular intervals पे रिलीज होता है into the small intestine. Answer is gallbladder. Blood circulates in which parts of the body? Veins, arteries, capillaries, all of these. The answer is all of these. Which blood group is a universal donor? कौन सा ब्लड ग्रुप यूनिवर्सल डोनर है यानी कि वो हर किसी को खून दे सकता है? ग्रुप ए, ग्रुप बी, ग्रुप ए बी, ग्रुप ओ. द आंसर इज ग्रुप ओ. Next question. Which part of the brain contains centers for the control of respiration, heartbeat, and blood pressure? Medulla oblongata, medulla, cerebellum, cerebrum. The answer is medulla oblongata. The structure in a cell which contains the genes is called chromosome. Who coined the term gene? Wilhelm Johans. Vitamin A is essential for preventing night blindness. आपको इसी से याद रखना है कि विटामिन ए की डेफिशिएंसी से नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस होती है। Which vitamin prevents hemorrhaging? Hemorrhaging बोलते हैं bleeding from a damaged blood vessel। तो कौन सा विटामिन इस चीज से रोकता है? विटामिन के। How much blood does a normal adult person have in the body? एक normal adult person के अंदर कितना खून होता है? About 6 to 7 liters, about 2 to 3 liters, about 4 to 5 liters, about 3 to 4 liters. Answer is about 4 to 5 liters. Hydrochloric acid is necessary for the easy digestion of carbohydrates. Which vitamin is provided by sunlight to the human body? ये हमने पहले भी किया था, vitamin D. When was HIV identified? 1987, 1985, 1983 or 1980? The answer is 1983. Which disease causes difficulty in breathing? Asthma. Which of the following is the most common form of color blindness? Usually found in males. Males में पाए जाने वाली most common form of color blindness कौन सी है? Difficulty in distinguishing red from the green. Disease which travels itself from place to place is called airborne disease. What is H5N1? ये हमने बहुत डिटेल में पढ़ा था पहले. It is a virus. Objects having the same size, same shape and same measurement are called congruent objects. A line passing through a circle away from its center is called radius, diameter, segment, chord. The answer is chord. The sum of the angles in a triangle is 180. Let's solve this question by hand and then answer it. What is the formula of Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. H square is equal to B square plus P square. अब हम एक ट्राइंगल ड्रॉ करते हैं और उसमें देख लेते हैं कि हाइपोटेन्यूस क्या होता है, बेस क्या होता है और परपेंडिकुलर क्या होता है. दिस इज अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल. राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल के सामने वाली साइड जो होती है दैट इज हाइपोटेन्यूस और जिस साइड पे राइट एंगल बना होता है दैट इज बेस एंड दिस इज परपेंडिकुलर. अब उसने क्वेश्चन पूछा कि अकॉर्डिंग टू Pythagoras theorem व्हेन द हाइपोटेन्यूस इज C, व्हेन दिस हाइपोटेन्यूस इज C, तो हमने बताना है कि वो किसके इक्वल होगा. अब जाहिर बात है उसने A और B दूसरी फिगर्स के लिए यूज किए हुए हैं. फर्ज कर लेते हैं कि बेस जो है वो A है और परपेंडिकुलर जो है वो B है. तो अब हम इसके ऊपर Pythagoras theorem अप्लाई करते हैं और देखते हैं आंसर क्या आता है. पुट C इन प्लेस ऑफ H स्क्वायर. C स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू बेस की जगह A स्क्वायर, परपेंडिकुलर की जगह B स्क्वायर. तो हमारे पास ये आ गया. अब अगर हम इन दोनों को इंटरचेंज कर दें, जो हमने फर्ज की वैल्यू, बेस को हम B के बराबर कर दें और परपेंडिकुलर को हम A के बराबर कर दें, तो क्या आता है? C स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू B स्क्वायर प्लस A स्क्वायर. दोनों तरह से आंसर हमारे पास सेम आता है. It means that the answer is option D. Two polygons are similar if all the corresponding sides are proportional, all the corresponding angles are proportional, both A and B, none of these. The answer is both A and B. The area of a trapezium is, what is a trapezium? A quadrilateral that has at least one pair of parallel sides. What is the area? 1 by 2 multiplied by sum of parallel sides multiplied by height. The volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Midterm breaking is applied to quadratic equations. इस क्वेश्चन को भी सॉल्व करके देखते हैं. We have to find the next term. हमें फाइंड करना है कि इस क्वेश्चन मार्क की जगह पे असल में क्या आएगा। इन सब का आपस में कोई ना कोई रिलेशन बनता है, या तो ये फिगर्स एक दूसरे में ऐड होती हैं, या इनमें कोई सेम टू सेम फिगर ऐड होती है, या वैल्यूज माइनस होती हैं, या मल्टीप्लाई होती हैं, या डिवाइड होती हैं। लेट्स चेक। 6 3 ज़ा 18, 18 3 ज़ा, मैंने 3 से ही क्यों मल्टीप्लाई किया? क्योंकि मेरे माइंड में पहली बात आई कि 6 को हम 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करें तो आंसर 18 आता है। तो मेरे माइंड में आया कि शायद यहां से कोई लिंक बन सकता है। सेम वैल्यूज हम मल्टीप्लाई करके देख लेते हैं। 18 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3, तो देखें मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 किया तो 54 आया। अब 54 को अगर मैं फिर 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करूं तो 162 आता है या नहीं? वन 162 भी आ गया। अब देख लेते हैं 162 को अगर मैं 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करती हूं तो 486 आता है या नहीं? 486 भी आ गया। इट मीन्स के रिलेशन क्या है? हर फिगर में 3 मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, तो यहां पर जो वैल्यू होगी उसमें भी 3 मल्टीप्लाई होगा तो 6 आएगा। और वो वैल्यू कौन सी हो सकती है? 0 3 ज़ा तो 0 हो जाता है, 1 3 ज़ा 3 हो जाता है, 2 3 ज़ा 6 हो जाता है। ठीक है। और दूसरा तरीका क्या है कि जैसे कि आपस में मल्टीप्लाई होके आंसर दे रहे हैं ना, अगर यही चीज हम करें, इसको 3 पे डिवाइड कर लें तो हमारे पास आंसर आएगा, इसको 3 पे डिवाइड करें तो आंसर आएगा, इसको 3 पे डिवाइड करें तो आंसर आएगा, इसको 3 पे डिवाइड करें तो आंसर आएगा, 6 को भी 3 पे डिवाइड करें तो आंसर आएगा। 6 3 3 2 ज़ा 6, आंसर इज 2। अब देखें 2 3 ज़ा भी 6 आ रहा है और 6 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 भी 2 आ रहा है। इट मीन्स आवर आंसर इज 2। 0.004 को 0.5 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है। 0.004 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0.5, 5 4 ज़ा 20, 5 0 ज़ा 0, 2 नीचे आ गया, 5 0 ज़ा 0, 5 0 ज़ा 0, 0 4 ज़ा 0, 0 0 ज़ा 0, 0 एंड 0, इनको ऐड करें 0 2 0 0 0। ऊपर 3 फिगर्स के बाद पॉइंट है और नीचे एक फिगर के बाद पॉइंट है, तो टोटल कितनी फिगर्स के बाद पॉइंट है? 4। नीचे भी हम क्या करेंगे, आंसर में 4 फिगर्स के बाद पॉइंट लगाएंगे, 1 2 3 4, यहां पे आएगा पॉइंट। सो द आंसर इज 0.0020। अब ये 0 है, नहीं भी लगेगा तो फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा। कभी कभी आंसर में ये वाला 0 लिखा होता है, लेकिन कभी कभी सिर्फ इतनी फिगर लिखी होती है। बोथ आर करेक्ट। In the equation of a straight line, what does the letter C represents? Gradient, x-intercept, C was y-intercept, D is y-coordinate. The answer is y-intercept. ये भी मैथ्स का क्वेश्चन है, इसलिए इसको भी सॉल्व करके जवाब देते हैं। The question is, when 73 is added to 89, 73 is added to 89 and the amount is doubled, और इसके बाद जो आने वाली अमाउंट है उसको डबल कर दिया जाता है, इट गिव्स द सेम रिजल्ट। तो जो आंसर आता है वो बिल्कुल बराबर है एज द स्क्वायर ऑफ 18 टू द स्क्वायर ऑफ 18। इसका मतलब है ये जो आंसर आएगा वो 18 का स्क्वायर होगा। व्हाट इज 18 स्क्वायर? तो 18 का स्क्वायर क्या आया? 324। अब हम इसको देख लेते हैं, 73 प्लस 89, 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. 8 plus 7 plus 1 16. अब हमारे पास आंसर आया 162. 162 को डबल कर दें. 2 2 जा 4, 2 6 जा 12, 2 1 जा 2 and 3. 324. अब अपनी स्टेटमेंट देखें. When 73 is added to 89, the amount is doubled. It gives the same result as the square of 18. So the amount which was doubled and gave the same result as the square of 18 is 162. What devices accept data from outside the computer and transfer it into the CPU? Analog to digital converters, sensors, input devices, digital devices. Answer is input devices. Which shortcut key is used to insert a new slide in PowerPoint presentation? Control plus M. Spam or fraudulent emails are also called junk mails. Who was the inventor of mouse? Douglas Engelbart. Spelling गलत है यहाँ पे. Which is the largest hardware company of computers? In 2016, it was HP, but now it is Arista Networks. Which of the following is a conventional design of pre-released software? Beta. Temporary storage place for information in a computer is called buffer. The Prevention of Electronic Crimes Act was passed in Pakistan in the year 2016. When was the last census held in Pakistan? 2016 तक जो लास्ट मर्दमशुमारी हुई थी वो 1998 में हुई थी, but now 2017 will be the answer. Malak and Pass connects Peshawar with Chitral. Headquarters of Arab League is located at, ये भी repeated question है, Cairo. Judicial body of UN is called International Court of Justice, General Assembly, Security Council, International Criminal Court. The answer is International Court of Justice. COP22, the 22nd conference of the parties of UN Framework Convention on Climate Change, was held in 2016 in Marrakesh. Which country has the largest resources of crude oil? Russia, USA, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia. Answer is Saudi Arabia. The highest battlefield in the world is Siachen Glacier. Summer Olympics for the year 2020 will be held in Tokyo, Japan में हुए थे. A country's total financial obligations to the rest of the world are known as total burden, total debt, national liabilities, external debt. Answer is external debt. Brexit referendum was held on 23rd June 2016. Which political party does US President elected belong to? In 2016, the answer was Republicans, but now it is Democratic. Biden is from Democratic Party. The term track to diplomacy is used for, it is a repeated question, the answer is managing relations between two countries using unofficial channels. The first of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals is related to poverty alleviation. The largest producer of solar energy in the world is, ये भी repeated question है, पहले USA था, अब China है. 1 barrel of petroleum is equal to 42 US gallons. First woman to win Nobel Prize was Marie Curie. Hydrometer is used to measure specific gravity of a liquid. Here ends the past paper of 2016. For more videos related to PMS, like this video, subscribe my channel and stay tuned. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.